Go.
Right. Let me take you through the process of what we do. This is a typical house that we'll restore the stucco on, so it's a good opportunity to walk you through the steps of how we do this. So first of all, when we get to a job, we're going to pull the rocks back away from the foundation wall so we can get it clean and get coating all the way down to the bottom of the stucco. Next, we're going to pressure wash the whole thing with just a high pressure water blaster. It's a commercial 3,000 to 4,000 psi pressure washer. After we wash it, then what we want to do next is fix all the problem areas on the stucco. This is a good example of a problem on a courtyard wall. We run into a lot of this stuff. And what's happened here is the water's it's settled on top of this wall and it's destroyed the wire underneath the stucco. It's just gone. So we're gonna have to pull all this stucco off of here, rewire it and restucco it before we put the coating on it. And then we'll make sure at that time that the water doesn't sit on top, that we'll have a water flow here. That's usually what causes this too flat of an area on the wall. So we're gonna make sure we take care of that. We try to fix the issues that they don't come back in the future. After we coat the house, we don't want to have recurring problems with the areas that we fixed before, so we make sure all these tops of these walls are going to flow water off of them. This is another common problem with houses we do. Almost every house that has an attached courtyard wall will crack right here due to the different foundation under the wall than the house. So what we'll do is we'll take a fiberglass mesh and apply that over that with an adhesive base coat, and then the same kind of stucco that's on the house, which is this is a synthetic Stowe product. So we're gonna, the object being that you don't see the patch when we're through with it, and the mesh makes it stronger, so hopefully the crack won't come back. As typical on this wall, there's just some hairline cracks. The elastomeric coating we use is designed to fill these cracks if they're not structural. These are just little hairline cracks like this. So if it gets any larger than that, we'll stucco over it first before we put the coating on. But the coating is designed to fill that up because there's two heavy coats of elastomeric coating that go on it. Same with these window cracks. These are very common. This is one of the first places a stucco house will crack, is on the window corners. If it's a recurring crack, we'll put mesh on these cracks as well as to ensure that the crack doesn't come back around the windows. This is very common, especially when they're vinyl windows like these. They expand and contract a lot.